Hello everyone, this is the second video of mine, and today we are going to talk about why we change and why we don't. First of all, you need to know why people change. Sometimes you wonder to yourself, kenapa kita berubah? Kenapa orang lain berubah? And I'm not the same me when I was 15, when I was 14, or when I was in kindergarten, atau nanti kalau misalkan aku kuliah, I will be a different person. So what would we change? So first of all, kita bahas tentang why people change. I have this note right here because I'm trying to figure out what I will talk about. And so we have this question right here, why people change. So there are a few reasons behind it, where a person change because of their environment, simply because their surroundings change. Orang berubah tergantung keadaan. That's the first thing. Dan orang itu di hidupnya adalah flexible. You are not the same person. You may change like over time, you know. Dan ketika orang itu berubah, it's sometimes in a good way, but sometimes in a bad way. And why? Maybe you ask why. And that is because other people. Jadi orang-orang di sekitar kalian itu selalu berpengaruh atas perubahan kalian. And I mean, it's not just your friends, but it's your parents, your siblings, maybe your partner. Orang-orang yang kita temani, orang-orang yang kita bergaul dengan mereka, they change our mind. Unconsciously, they mean ideas, and that will affect you the way you think. Dan itu adalah salah satu hal kenapa orang bisa berubah. Itu karena pendapat orang lain. Kritik, saran, or maybe just saying, maybe a compliment, pujian, or maybe something like a hate comment that will change someone. So people change because of their environment, and the second one is because of other people, and the third one is their own willing atau niat dalam bahasa Indonesia. By that I mean, if a person wanted to change, he will or she will. But if a person doesn't want to change, they will stay the same. Jadi itu tergantung kemauan mereka sendiri. Like, do you want to change seriously, or do you not want to change? That's up to them. I think people are a complex feeling or emotions. Orang itu terdiri dari emosi yang banyak dan bermacam-macam. Setiap orang tuh pasti beda gitu. Walaupun misalkan ya, nama bahagia gitu ya, orang tuh bahagia, tapi untuk setiap orang tuh sendiri, bahagia tuh beda-beda buat mereka. Orang tuh bisa berubah kalau dia berusaha. Orang bisa berubah kalau dia memang nggak takut. Orang bisa berubah kalau misalkan dia akan meniatkan, okay, I want to change and I will change. And he or she has that confidence in themselves. So we need to have confidence in ourselves to change something. And by what I mean is, we have to be confident. We have that confidence in ourselves first before we motivate other people. Dan kita bahas kenapa orang gak bisa berubah. Like something like, kamu tuh greget sama satu orang gitu ya, ini orang kok gak mau berubah dari dulu, like why are you still the same? Well, that is probably because they are comfortable. Mereka tuh nyaman. Mereka terlalu nyaman dengan space mereka sendiri. Like me. Take me as an example. Like I am sometimes an extrovert, but sometimes an introvert. It's like there's a balance in them, and it's like an ambivert. Dan orang itu comfortable. I mean, that person has their own comfort zone, dan itu kadang-kadang bukan hal yang baik, tapi kadang-kadang itu juga hal yang baik. Why? Sometimes comfort zone will not let you explore. Sometimes kamu tuh terlalu nyaman dengan space kamu sendiri, dan kamu tuh nggak mau berusaha untuk mencoba-coba hal baru gitu. Kamu nggak mau explore hal baru, kamu nggak mau berkoneksi dengan orang baru. Kamu tuh like, oh ya udahlah, itu buat orang lain aja, it's not for me. No, sometimes trying something new is better, is good for you. Maybe you will not get the best results, but at least you try. Dan itu tuh penting. Yang penting usaha kamu tuh terhitung gitu. Dan kamu tuh kadang-kadang tuh kalau misalkan udah terlalu nyaman dengan diri sendiri, dengan comfort zone sendiri, misalkan kayak kamu di kamar terus-terusan, and you're like, okay, I'm fine with myself, but I mean, it's not always wrong to try something new. Orang tuh kadang takut mau nyoba. Kenapa? Karena kadang-kadang orang tuh takut gagal, takut kesandung, takut ini, takut itu, takut kena kritik, takut kena judge, takut kena hate comment, takut kena ini dan itu. Dan padahal itu tuh terjadi gitu. Kadang-kadang itu tuh bukan hal yang sudah terjadi sebelumnya. Maybe sometimes, maybe you have experienced it before, but sometimes it's just your imagination. It's just something that you kept in your heart. That you have the expectations, oh, I will have this kind of judgment. Ini sebenarnya teguran buat aku sendiri juga ya, karena di masa yang lalu aku tuh terlalu nyaman dengan diriku sendiri, dan aku tuh nggak mau nyoba. Aku tuh malas nyoba karena aku berpikir kalau nyoba itu membuang-buang waktu. No, you have time, and that is important because not everyone has time. Dan kamu tuh harus tahu kalau misalkan waktu itu nggak akan pernah kembali. Kamu tuh nggak akan mendapatkan opportunity yang sama. Penting sekali karena apa ya? It builds yourself, it builds your confidence, it builds your way of thinking. Dan itu tuh kayak sometimes it sparks something in your mind that you have never think before. I mean, it's not wrong. Maybe sometimes kamu kalau kecapean dan kamu tahu batasanmu, it's okay to get a rest, but istirahat itu hanya untuk hal yang sudah kamu usahakan gitu. Kalau misalkan kamu belum usaha, terus kamu istirahat buat apa? Like, what are you resting for? Dan di setiap fase kehidupan kita itu, kita selalu belajar sesuatu yang baru, dan kita tuh nggak akan pernah berhenti belajar gitu. Take an example of everything in your life, and you will get to know and to learn something new every day. And people that wanted to change are people that are brave. Mereka tuh berani gitu buat ambil resiko. It's okay to fail, it's okay to fall down, it's okay to get hated, but it's all for yourself, it's all for the sake of yourself. I mean, why not? So what can I do about it? Well, first of all, you need to learn the value of yourself first. You need to learn how much value do you bring to the room. Kamu tuh harus tahu value kamu diri sendiri. Tuh harus tahu kalau kamu tuh punya boundaries. Kamu punya boundaries untuk beberapa hal, dan kamu tuh kadang-kadang merubah boundary itu. Kayak misalkan, okay, I wanted to volunteer for something, but I can't do it outside of my city. Dan kamu tuh harus pintar cari alternatif gitu. Okay, kalau misalkan aku nggak boleh keluar kota untuk volunteer, then I will do it in my own city, in my own area. And then the next thing is you need to learn to accept that change is inevitable. Change is sometimes uncomfortable for you and for anyone else. Kadang-kadang perubahan itu nggak sesuai dengan ekspektasimu. Kadang-kadang perubahan itu banyak naik turunnya. It's not linear, it's not just like a straight line. It's more like this, and it will keep going. Like, you see this thread, this is not like this. Change is not just linear like this, but it's more like a complicated knots. Itu complex, and by the end of the time, and if you short this rope, you will get this result. Dan mungkin nantinya akan ada hambatan kayak simple yang kayak gini, but it's okay as long as you push through. Then it's okay, you will see how far you've gone, dan itu tuh semua pelajaran buat kamu. So it's okay to fail, it's okay to learn, because we all learn, and you are not alone. The next thing is you have to know that maybe not everyone suits you, not everybody understands you, and that is okay. Kita di hidup ini tuh banyak yang mungkin kita sesali, mungkin banyak yang kita kok nggak kayak gini ya. Maybe you feel disappointed sometimes with your own change, dan itu tuh kayak bikin kamu merasa sedih. And me myself, sometimes I feel really sad if I just like feel and compare myself to others. Dan aku tuh kadang-kadang nggak berhenti untuk meng-compare diriku dengan orang lain gitu. Dan sebenarnya perbandingan itu tuh nggak akan selesai gitu, nggak akan selesai selamanya. There's always someone that we are jealous with, and it's not that important. What is important is you, is being yourself. You need to do the action to finally do something, even if it's just a small step. If you want to be like, I want to change to a better person, then you need to do the actions and not just plans. And this is actually one of my plans, and I think starting out is alright at any time. Kamu tuh bisa mulai kapan aja, dan kamu tuh gak perlu nunggu. You just need to have that motivation in you, and you will do it. I promise you will do it. And I'm proud of myself from my past, and also my future, and also my present. So that is for today's video, and I hope you enjoy watching it, and I will see you on my next videos.